Hi and welcome to Drive Spark. So this is the all new Golf GTI. We will be doing a high-speed run on the NATRAX. Okay, now let's see if we can touch the top speed. Let me just quickly show you the vehicle. And yeah, you get the GTI badge, you get twin exhausts. Obviously it's a 4-door. And that engine, that is a 2-liter TSI engine that pushes out around 261 bhp, 370 Nm of peak torque, and it's mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox. And that is how the car looks like from the front. You have matrix LED headlights, you have the fog lights, the 5 pods for the fog lights. ADAS, you get these 18-inch wheels with red calipers, a big disc at the front, and obviously you get a big disc at the rear also. And those are the interiors. Well, obviously you get the GTI seats with the tartan upholstery and fixed headrests. That is how the rear section looks like. Obviously this is adjusted according to my height. I'm 6'1", and Abhishek is sitting where you have decent headroom, you have a sunroof, and then you have decent amount of knee room as well. So now let us quickly sit inside. That is how the cockpit of the new Golf GTI looks like. So we've got an instruction to be lined up.
This is the recommended area if you want to come and stop again and again.
And now it is our turn. After say around 30 seconds we will join the track, and then we will do a launch first, and then obviously we will do a high-speed run. I'm ready. Can we go? Okay guys, we launch. Already 100. Touching 200. See if we can touch the top speed. 258, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, and 67. There you go. 267 is the top speed of the Golf GTI, which is actually the speed is restricted, it is limited. Now we're gonna hit the bank once again. Woo! There you go, we hit the straight once again, and let us see if we can reach the top speed once again. 267. We'll try to hit the bank at this speed. No steering required whatsoever. The bank is doing its job. 267. We are locked at 267, which is the top speed. And there we have one more straight. It's not going beyond 267. That is where it is locked. So yeah guys, that was the all new Volkswagen Golf GTI, a top speed run. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see a full review of the Golf, we have another video running on the channel. You can go and check that out. I hope you like it. If you like it, do share and subscribe. I'm Pramit signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe, and drive safe.